Welcome Junior Tuckies, welcome to my ear theory video part 3. In this video I will be looking at the adaptations of the ear. Remember, the ear is part of the nervous system, which is 54 marks in your exam. Here I'm going to be doing the 3 different parts of the ear, and I will be doing the adaptations. And adaptations is how the structure helps the function. The diagram that you see in my screen right now, this is the outer ear. And the outer ear is made up of the pinna, which you can see is funnel shaped, has this folds and grooves to trap and direct sound waves into the auditory canal. The auditory canal, as you can see, is long and hollow to allow the sound waves to travel through to get to the tympanum. And in the auditory canal, there are cilia and ceruminous glands. Ceruminous glands produce cerumen. Now, cerumen is actually known as wax, and the wax has a pungent smell to prevent insects from actually entering your ear. Right, let's move to the middle ear. The middle ear, when the sound enters, it will hit the tympanum. The tympanum is a thin membrane. Another word for the tympanum is tympanic membrane that you can also use. When the sound waves hits the tympanum vibrates, and these vibrations go to the first ossicle, which is the hammer. The hammer will then transmit the vibrations to the anvil, which is the second ossicle. And then when the anvil vibrates, it transmits the vibrations to the third ossicle, which is the stirrup. Now, all 3 are the ossicles. The ossicles are tiny bones and they're hollow. So when they start to vibrate, they also amplify the sound. Then, from there, the oval window will then transmit vibrations to the inner ear. But the very important part that comes out all the time in the exam is the eustachian tube. And the eustachian tube is a tube that connects your pharynx to your middle ear. And it makes sure that on either side of the tympanum, there is air. And if there is air on either side of the tympanum, then there's equal pressure and sound will be clear. Very, very important. Please make sure you know the functions of the tympanum. Right, let's go down to the inner ear. The inner ear, as you can see, we were just talking about the oval window. The oval window brings the vibrations from the ossicles, the middle ear, to the cochlea. And the cochlea, that's where the stimulus is converted to an impulse. And when the impulse is transmitted from the auditory nerve, it will go to the cerebrum for interpretation of the sound. This is the semicircular canals. In my other videos, I will be discussing the balance. But as you can see, the semicircular canals are responsible for balance. Now, the round window is a membrane that absorbs excess pressure from the sound waves. And that is what prevents an echo forming in your ear. Thank you for joining me for this lesson on the adaptations of the ear. Join me for all my other theory videos as well. Thank you.